Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be solving the grade 9 2024 paper 2 external past paper. Okay, and this will be question 1B. This question is about number bases, so let us see what the question says. Find the value of, let me just indicate it here, 1,0,0,0,1,1 base 2 divided by 1,1,1 base 2, giving your answer in base 2. And this question carries 2 marks. So this is the question that we are going to deal with. So let us begin. Let us indicate solutions. So this is division. So let me just write a gigantic sign here because this, my friend, has a lot of digits and I want it to be visible as you are learning. I want it to be very visible. I think this is it, 111. This is 1,0,0,0,11. Now let us begin. By the way, this is not a 1, just ignore this part. So let us begin. So we divide this number into 1 first. It cannot go there. We divide this 111 into 10. It cannot. So we include another 0. So 111 into 100. It also cannot go into there. What of 111 into 1000? Now this is a big number because it has 4 digits and this has only what? 3 digits. So we are going to indicate a 1 just on top of that number. Okay, then we multiply 1 times 111. It's going to be 111. So we begin by writing like so. Then we go from right to left. So 3 digits like so. Then we subtract. What is 0 minus 1? Now this is the trickiest part here. This is why I wrote a gigantic division, diagram there. 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract it. We cannot write a negative number, so it cannot go there. We cannot subtract 1 from 0. So what should we do here? We are familiar that we should borrow from the next number. Now, since the next number is also 0, we should also borrow from the next number. Now, since the next number is also 0, we have to borrow from the next number to that number, which is 1. So we cancel that. Now, I need you to pay attention right here. In base 2, we don't carry 10s, we carry 2s. So instead of making it a 10 here by indicating a 1, we're going to indicate a 2. We have borrowed a 2. I want you to understand that, okay? So this is a 2. This has become 0. This is a 2. Since we are interested in borrowing a 1 for this number here, we also have to cancel. This will remain 1 and we are going to bring the 2 here. We have borrowed the 2. We need to borrow a 2 from here to there. So we also cancel this number, remains 1, and this will become 2. So now let us continue. What is 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is 1, so indicate 1 there. Okay, we have indicated 1. What is 1 minus 1? It is 0. What is 1 minus 1? It's also 0. Since here there is nothing, it's also 0. We end there. So what's next? We say 111 into 1. How many times does that go into there? Because it doesn't go there, not so. So what should we do? We bring down a 1 like so. Then we try again. 111 into 11. Still cannot go in there. So now, after you have dropped down a 1 from there and the number here cannot go into there, we should indicate a 0 like so. So after doing that, we multiply. 0 times 111, it's a 0. So we should indicate a 0 there. we should indicate a 0 there, like so. So now we subtract 1 minus 0. This is going to give us a 1. 1 minus 0 here, there's nothing, so it's a 1. 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, it can't go there, not so. So we have to do what? We have to bring down a 1 like so. Now that we have brought down the 1, let us try again. 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 1. Clearly, it goes there one time. Then we multiply 1 times 1, 1, 1. It's going to be 1, 1, 1. Then we subtract. So what do we get when we subtract 1, 1, 1 from 1, 1, 1? It's going to be a 0, like so. So now, since we have reached a 0 here, this means that we are done with the problem. So this top answer here is the answer for the problem. So the answer is 1, 0, 1. And you also have to indicate a 2 to show that this is a base 2 number. So this is a subscript 2. It should be smaller than the answer, or else you are going to get a wrong, they are going to mark you wrong, in short. So you have to indicate a small 2 to indicate that this is a base 2 number and this 2 is not part of the answer. So therefore, that's the answer for this question. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to share this video, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This will make us very happy and excited to present wonderful lessons like this. So until next time, thank you so much and have a nice day.